Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how you can apply large language models over large datasets in one go using Databricks batch inference. With batch inference, you can extract insights from unstructured data like customer reviews, perform data transformations, and generate structured outputs, all while trading off latency for throughput and performance. Databricks batch inference enables you to process large datasets in bulk using the AI query function. With this SQL-based function, you can query large language models directly from your Delta tables to analyze sentiment and generate automated responses. This approach works seamlessly with Delta tables, enabling you to process text columns at scale while leveraging pre-trained or fine-tuned models hosted on Databricks. I'll demonstrate this using a practical example where we analyze customer reviews to gauge sentiment, determine follow-up needs, and generate actionable insights. So how do we do this? First, we need to ingest raw customer reviews into Unity Catalog as Delta tables. Next, we run the batch inference using AI query, the AI query function. You can either use a Databricks hosted foundation model or your own fine-tuned model that you can host on Databricks as well. Let's see how this is done in a Databricks workspace. So here in our Databricks workspace, on the left, you can see that I have the customer reviews data loaded into Unity Catalog over here. Now moving on to the notebook, let's see how our data looks like. It contains two columns, which is the customer review ID and the reviews text as well. To repeat, the goal here is to gauge sentiment, determine follow-up needs, and generate actionable responses. In the cell below, we see the SQL script, which will simultaneously send the text reviews to the LLM endpoint using the AI query function. In our example here, the AI query function uses a Databricks hosted foundation model, but you can use a fine-tuned model as well. The function takes in the endpoint name, the request, which is your prompt, and the request type. Right? So here we have the function. We have the endpoint, which is a Databricks hosted foundation model. And then we have a request, which is the prompt saying what we want the model to do, right? So we want to classify a sentiment as positive, neutral, or negative. We want to return we want to see whether the customer requires a follow-up, and we want to see if a follow-up is even needed. And then also we say we want the response to be in JSON, right? So when we run it, it will return a structured JSON containing the product name, sentiment classification, follow-up determination, and the follow-up reason, all stored in a Databricks, all stored in a Delta table that you can use downstream, right? So let me just run this real quick here. And just as I said, we have our response here where we can see that for each review, we see the product name, the entity sentiment, whether a follow-up is required, a follow-up reason, all for each reviews, right? With Databricks batch inference powered by AI query, you can process thousands of customer reviews effortlessly, saving time while improving customer engagement through personalized responses. Thanks for watching.